Hi, I'm Tracy Stewart, and this is a brief basic tutorial video about the free web tool called Quizlet. Quizlet is an interactive website that offers a massive database of flashcards and study material for students. Not only is the website user-friendly, but it has something to offer for different types of learners. The virtual flashcards can be studied in 6 different modes, which makes for a fun and interactive experience for students. So let's go ahead and get started by going to Quizlet.com. There you'll find a search bar, and if there's a particular type of study set or set of flashcards that you want to search for, you can just enter that term. So for this purpose and example, we will use instructional technology. Right now the Quizlet database has 439 study sets under instructional technology. So if we use the first set as an example, we'll find that there are 10 terms in that study set. Audio pronunciation for those audio learners. Under Learn, that particular mode, it wants to know whether or not you can identify the item. This speller is essentially to find out if you can spell it. Testing is a method that you or your instructor can use in order to test your knowledge of that particular topic. Scatter is an interactive game where you do matching. Race is also an interactive type of game where you have to type in the correct spelling of the term before the item passes. So these are different testing modes. Quizlet is an amazing tool that can also be used by teachers. Teachers can create a class by logging in. They create a class. The class description, you can enter your school, and once you create a class, it's going to ask you to create a study set. So what type of information do you want your students to study? You can pretty much have your students study whatever you like. It can also create different tests based on those terms that you set up. And you can set it up so that you actually receive the responses on those tests, whatever the answers are or the scoring of those particular tests. If you shorten the number of terms, you can make it more into a quiz. Quizlet is such an amazing tool that teachers can also find out what type of study modes their students have been using, find out who is an audio learner, who is an interactive type learner. So that way it really helps you understand your students' needs in setting up your curriculum for your particular course. So again, Quizlet, it's a great resource. It's something that I do believe educators and students alike should take advantage of. It's free of charge, which makes it all the more tempting. But for a nominal fee of $14.99 a year, they'll have access to additional resources with this particular web tool. It also comes on a mobile app, so it makes it easy for a student or teacher who's on the go to have access to it. Quizlet, great resource. I hope you use it.